I'm John Kissary. Let's do some math. Here we're going to be talking about identifying the base and the exponent in exponential expressions. In this situation, we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which gives us 8. Each of these 2's is called a factor, and the 8 is called the product. Now, the main point of exponential notation is to limit the amount of writing that you have to do. I mean, it could become cumbersome if I have to write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 3, 5 times 2 times 2. That's 3, 6, 7 times, right? I mean, and it can get worse if I write more 2's, right? But instead of writing all 7 of these 2's, I can write it as 2 raised to the 7th power. 2 to the 7th power. Right? This says that I have factors of 2. I should write it 7 times. In this case, the 2 is called the base, and the 7 is called the exponent. The base tells you what to write. The exponent tells you how many times. In the original situation, we have 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. We write the base 1 time. How many of them? That many. So 2 cubed is equal to 8. So exponential expression is shorthand for writing things in a multiplied form like that. If I have a situation like 1/3 cubed, this means 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. The base here is 1/3, and the exponent is 3. Since it's 3, I have to write the base 3 times, 3 factors of the base. In this situation, I have negative 1/3 cubed, and this means negative 1/3 times negative 1/3 times negative 1/3. Here, the base is negative 1/3. And how do I know it's negative 1/3? Because there's a minus sign, and there's what's called a grouping symbol. Grouping symbols are things like parentheses, brackets, and braces. And the purpose of grouping symbols is to tell you what is included in the operation. Here the operation is cubing. So everything within the grouping symbol is affected by the operation. The base here is negative 1/3. The exponent is 3. So I write the base 3 times and multiply it. In this situation, I have negative 0.2 raised to the 4, which means negative 0.2 times 0, negative 0.2 times 0, negative 0.2 times negative 0.2. I write them 4 times and multiply them. The base here is negative 0.2. The exponent is 4. In this situation, negative 0.2 raised to the 4th, which looks similar to this one, but there's no grouping symbol here. So the negative sign is not affected by the exponent. Only the 0.2 is affected by the exponent of 4. So let's go on a tangent here. When I write negative 0.2, this is the same as writing negative 1 times 0.2. So anytime you see a negative symbol just by itself, it means there's a factor of negative 1 multiplying by what follows. So if I have negative 1, if I have negative 0.2, this is to the fourth. This is basically negative 1 times 0.2 to the fourth. If I have negative 0.2 to the fourth, this is negative 1 times 0.2 to the fourth. The 0.2 is raised to the fourth power, but the 1 is not affected. Here, because of the grouping symbol, negative 1 is affected and 0.2 is affected by the 4. So the answer is going to be different in these two situations. If I look at this expression here, negative 2t raised to the fifth power and negative 2t to the fifth power. They both have negative sign, a 2, a t, and a 5. But the difference is that in this situation, the base is negative 2t. And in this situation, the base is only t. Here, the grouping symbol, the parentheses, tells you that all of the stuff that's inside is affected by raising to the fifth. There's no grouping symbol here, so only the 5 is affected, only the t is affected by this 5. All of this and much more is covered in the new Pre-Algebra workbook series that's linked to in the description. Thank you.